Yeah, out we go. Out there. Oops, roll him there. Don't make him go too far. You are the swimmer, I know me. Pack up the boat now and start it out, and then head hit the water. We don't see a bird, but sometimes the fish them out there. I mean, I've seen a bird.
But bird they tumble over already.
Bird they tumble. Yes, all of the bird them gonna tumble over for you. All of them gone over. You know, say all of them gone over there. The amount of bird over there terrorated.
You can't follow that sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes you can't. Yeah, sometimes you can't follow them. You can't follow the bird them because sometimes bird out there and I catch it, and sometimes the bird out there and catch something. So you just have to try, you know. So we say we are going on the water this morning. So stay tuned. We soon come back to you. We say fish on every time. Yes, people, we are on the water now. Well, we are looking fish, but we don't see no action. No action at all, no action at all. Everyone go down to first and see. In the action zone first. Anyhow, let's go. Oscar jerk, I tell ya. How what is brother? Fish on already, you know, brother. What that mean? At the first this ever happened. At the first, brother. As me put out the line and turn about me, gone already. I turn off the engine in a. Alright, I want to say a blue runner. A blue runner. Alright, you think I want to be key? I don't know so I run hard. Eh? I'm going to try the boat, I have to bring him. Right under the boat. Okay. I didn't run so hard, brother. It's good to you know. Catch it. Watch out now.
That gives us much trouble.
Yeah, one little blue runner. And then you look like a good size, you know, see no people. Blue runners are early. Alright. I'll put him in. Check out there. Check out your coat. That seems like a nice one. Alright. So we're gonna look the king now. Where the king there? Come. Hold him there, make her help you with them things. Actually, you are doing you know. Come on, run 2. Man, brave man run 2 rod. Can stay? Alright. My float? Okay, maybe it's a little skingers, a little kingers or a mackerel. It's small in man, can you do that? A mackerel that man. Oh yes. Oh blow weebles. You're making go back down. I arrest him. Come on, boy. Behave yourself. See that people? Mackerel, zero mackerel. Let's cut him out. My hand is you hook down here and my flash. Yes, man. If I cut it out because we have this hook here holding.
We're going.
We're going hard to come out, brother. We'll cut it out. Take time, check it out. Alright people, see him now? Mackerel. I'll put him in there. Ah boy, kingers. Mackerel, no kingers, zero mackerel. Fish. Alright. Come back up, show. One of the biggest chances in the camera, see it now? See the smallest really. 20 pound. I want to go cheap really to the people. I want the cheapest you can think of. Hold on. I'll make it. The cheapest really so you can find pan shield. Let's see. Them say I want 5,000 really so it's small so till it can't small no more. This can't be 5,000, I must have 2,000 really. Can't be 5,000. So I'm gonna try it out now and see what kind of pressure it can hold. I want like a cheap reel man, cheap. I wouldn't bother tell you the price. But now what's it now? You don't even hold enough line, see that? That's it. Feel like you're ready for mash up already. Feel like you're ready for mash up. Alright people, so see it now. Biggest chance now me I take. Ready now, let's go. It's a challenge, you know. Let's see where it can manage. I know I catch a fish still from morning, but let's see if it can manage anything. It's a 5,000 reel. Put it on a casting rod. I see that wolf line, let's now take up. Stand up. Oh. I'll get the key in one pocket. This stuff is in the bag. Alright people, so you know me have to set up my little contraption right, that's enough for you. If you drop the boat because I can't manage it with my shoulder and my hand now. When I have no shoulder, my two shoulders are gone. So as usual, I have to set up a little thing in the van on the flooring. It's like a winch. But I set up a thing with it that we can use it to drop the boat, you know. Just park alongside in front of the boat and just open the door and take the winch and dry it up. So I never put on now. I never put it in last night. I should have put it in last night to save me the trouble. But it's alright. I have everything right. That's my tool, everything. Okay. Just go and dry it out like this. See that? dry it out like that. That look alright. Just come on. Dry up. Yeah, peeps, that's my fish. See now. One blue runner, about 2.5 pound, or no, about 2.5 pound. I feel thick and heavy still. Yes, come on, I see your one there. That's about what, 4 pound or 5?
About 3.
About 3 pound. Alright guys, so after I chill out the whole morning and I feel nothing. Well, I catch a one jack. Camera catch a one syrup mackerel. I decided I'm going to come down to Tumble Over and do some final casting at the evening, you know. I don't even have my casting stuff, but I have this right here that I set up. I make a cheap reel that I was showing you. I was showing it. I have this low from out of my trolling box. I don't even carry my casting bag. But I'm going to try to see if I can hook up on the snook, because I heard the snook them biting, so I'm going to try something now, people. Right here, so along the beach, go all the way down. So if I hook up anything, you'll see what's happening, alright? So let's soon come back. Alright, so first cast out. Not even go as far as I want it to come out. Wow, what a rough, man. What a rough, but you know, suit them like it's still some. I make a few casts out there and see what now. I don't like this bait here at all, actually. No. You know, retrieve good at all. I don't like it. But I don't have no other choice, you know, because I'm trolling stuff I carry come this morning. I never carry none of my casting things, you know. But anyhow, I try to work with it still. If someone bite, maybe catch them. If some not bite, I just say go. But they made a bite this morning, you know. So let's see what go on for them. Alright, out there. Come here, come here. Push on, come. Swoop. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, nice. Listen up. Come here. Nice one. Push on. Alright, so finally catch one. Got a nice one. Balik di kawal mo kasi na. That's the care, take it good, man. No sir, couldn't never get you. We couldn't get you at all, brother. Couldn't get you. Man, people seem they're beautiful snook. Nice one. That's a fish on every time, brother. See there. Nice snook, about 5 pound or 5.5 or 6 pound. Some another reach on there. Beautiful snook. I wrap it up now still. I catch a one snook. This a drop off right here, so the knob. So each time we have to tighten it and tighten it, and we can't get it tighten it properly because I have the tools out here. So I'll just pack up and leave now, go home, and next time we'll come back early morning because them bite better in the morning to me, you know. Snook bite better in the morning to me, right? I never like the evening fishing for snook unless a certain places like all Vicky Walk, you know, and them places, you know, you have a shorter distance to travel, you know, so you can find them in a certain areas. But right here, so now we can't find them. I have to search, and they really like give me trouble and all kind of stuff. So I pack up now and cut out of this place, as in? Yeah, so last cast, now get the last cast now. Come, hook up on a 10 pound one now, last cast, make a, see, right in front of this side. Last cast out there. The last cast is, you know. Last cast. Come, one more time, one more. Impossible still, but I'm over 50 more casts or 100 casts before we can feel anything more. No? So any people like that, right? I leave this place now, so yeah. Alright, no people like that now, last cast we make a while ago. I'll pack up and go home now, so we want to say thank you guys for watching. And remember to like, share and subscribe as I said before. Like the videos, it helps us to grow. Like all the local channels like Kemjay Fishing, Jamaican Anglers, Jamaica Shore Fishing, and Hartman Adventures, all of us, you know. Like the videos, help us to grow the channel. Alright, take care, God bless, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Fish on every time.